Welcome back to Indian Defense Updates. I'm Chris, and today we're diving into the future of India's air power. The global defense landscape is shifting, and India is making bold moves, focusing on self-reliance, strategic vision, and international partnerships. We'll cover 4 major stories shaping the Indian Air Force: the massive Rafale F4.1 deal, the Indigenous AMCA hybrid model, the integration of the Astra MK2 missile on the upgraded Su-30 MKI, and the DRDO developed Radome. Each represents a vital piece of India's defense puzzle. From game-changing procurements to homegrown innovation, these developments are redefining India's military edge. Let's break down how these advances are building a stronger, more self-reliant Air Force. Let's get started. The FUFA tender for 114 new jets could transform the Indian Air Force. Dassault's Rafale F4.1 is a versatile and powerful platform. The IAF faces a squadron shortfall, and this tender aims to fill that gap. This time the focus is on Make in India, building most jets domestically. Dassault's offer of 100% technology transfer is unprecedented. It's about building an aerospace ecosystem and future-proofing India's defense industry. The F4.1 standard brings network-centric warfare and new weaponry. For the IAF, this means better interoperability and combat effectiveness. While competitors are in the running, Rafale's edge is clear. Standardizing on Rafale simplifies logistics and boosts readiness. The financial scale is massive, but so are the long-term benefits. This deal would cement India-France ties and modernize India's military. For the IAF, it's a chance to reverse squadron decline. The open architecture of the F4.1 allows for future upgrades and integration of indigenous weapons. The FUFA decision isn't just about jets, it's about shaping India's air power for generations. The Rafale F4.1 is making a compelling case for India's future. This is more than procurement, it's a strategic leap. The outcome will define India's air combat capabilities for decades. The world is watching as India weighs its options. The right choice here could set a new standard for defense modernization. It's about more than numbers. It's about vision, capability, and national strength. The Rafale deal could be the cornerstone of India's next-generation Air Force. With the right execution, it will boost both security and industry. The stakes are high, but so is the potential for transformation. India's decision will echo across the region and beyond. The future of Indian air power is being written right now. The Rafale F4.1 stands ready to lead that future. The next chapter in India's air dominance is about to begin. Stay tuned as this historic deal unfolds. The sky is truly the limit. Now let's talk about India's most ambitious project, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA. Designed to rival the F-22, F-35, and J-20, the AMCA is a stealth, multi-role fighter being developed by India's ADA. The AMCA hybrid model is a smart, phased approach. Mark 1 uses the proven GEF 414 engine, while Mark 2 will feature a co-developed next-gen power plant. This strategy gets a near 5th-gen fighter in the air quickly, while advanced engine development continues in parallel. The AMCA's stealth features, serpentine intakes, internal weapons bays, radar-absorbent materials, are designed for deep penetration and survivability. Inside, pilots get panoramic glass displays, HOTAS controls, and advanced sensor fusion for unmatched situational awareness. The software is the real game-changer, integrating data from radar, IRS, EW suites, and friendly assets into a single, clear picture. Future-proofing is built in. The airframe is designed to accommodate directed energy weapons as technology matures. This is a sovereign design. Intellectual property stays in India, involving hundreds of domestic companies and building a robust defense base. The timeline is aggressive. Prototype rollout in a few years, first flight soon after, and induction by the early 2030s. The AMCA marks India's entry into the elite club of nations with homegrown 5th-gen fighters. The hybrid model, proven engine first, co-developed engine next, is a pragmatic path to success. This project is about more than a jet, it's about technological leadership and national pride. AMCA is the future of Indian air dominance. It's a leap toward true self-reliance in aerospace. The world is watching India's 5th-gen dream take shape. Every milestone brings India closer to air power parity with the best. The AMCA is a symbol of ambition, innovation, and strategic foresight. India's aerospace future is being built today. The AMCA will define the next era of Indian air power. This is a program to watch. India's 5th-gen journey is just beginning. The sky's the limit for Indian innovation. Let's shift to the weapons, because a fighter is only as good as its missiles. Enter the Astra MK2, India's next-gen beyond visual range air-to-air missile, now being integrated on the upgraded Su-30 MKI. The Astra family, developed by DRDO, is a testament to India's missile prowess and self-reliance. The MK2's dual-pulse rocket motor is a game-changer, giving it a 160 kilometers range and a lethal terminal phase that's hard to evade. This puts it on par with the world's best, like the AIM-120D AMRAAM. The Su-30 MKI, backbone of the IAF, is undergoing a major upgrade: new mission computer, AESA radar, EW suite, and cockpit displays. Integrating the Astra MK2 isn't just about hardware, it's deep systems integration, radar, mission computer, and pilot interface all working seamlessly. The result? Indian pilots can engage threats at long range with a homegrown missile from a modernized platform. This synergy boosts strategic autonomy, no more reliance on foreign suppliers for critical air combat capability. The upgraded Su-30 MKI with Astra MK2 is a world-class all-Indian combat solution. DRDO is already working on Astra MK3 with a ramjet engine and a staggering 350 kilometers range, targeting high-value enemy assets from afar. This is smart modernization, pairing advanced airframes with indigenous weapons for maximum impact. The IAF's lethality, flexibility, and independence are all enhanced. The Astra Su-30 MKI combo is a force multiplier for India's air superiority. It's a clear step toward self-reliance and future readiness. This integration is about more than firepower. It's about control, innovation, and national security. India is building a combat system that's both modern and sovereign. The future of Indian air combat is being shaped by these smart upgrades. Every new missile, every system upgrade, is a stride toward autonomy. The Astra MK2 is a symbol of India's growing defense capabilities. The upgraded Su-30 MKI is ready for the challenges ahead. Together, they form a deadly combination. This is the new face of Indian air power. The journey to self-reliance continues, one missile, one upgrade at a time. The sky is no longer the limit. Now, let's zoom in on a critical but often overlooked component: the radome. DRDO has developed an indigenous radome for the Su-30 MKI, a breakthrough for India's defense self-reliance. The radome isn't just a nose cone, it's a high-tech shield that protects the radar while letting its signals pass through undistorted. Until now, India relied on Russian imports for this vital part, creating a supply chain vulnerability. DRDO's achievement breaks that dependency, securing a key link in India's aerospace ecosystem. The development involved advanced composites, precision engineering, and rigorous testing, structural, electromagnetic, and in-flight. The new radome is likely optimized for the upcoming indigenous AESA radar, ensuring peak performance for the upgraded Su-30 MKI. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade, and a foundation for future Indian aircraft like the Tejas and AMCA. The knowledge and technology gained here will ripple across India's aerospace industry. Manufacturing radomes domestically saves money, creates high-tech jobs, and strengthens the supply chain. Over the fleet's lifetime, the economic and strategic benefits are substantial. This is the kind of quiet, essential progress that underpins military modernization. Mastering enabling technologies like the radome is key to true autonomy. It's not flashy, but it's foundational. The DRDO Radome is a victory for Indian engineering and self-reliance. It's a small part with a big impact, ensuring India's fighters are always ready. This achievement supports every future Indian aircraft program. It's a mark of growing technological maturity. The story of India's air power is built on such milestones. From jets to missiles to radomes, every piece matters. The road to strategic autonomy is paved with these successes. India is methodically building the capabilities it needs. The DRDO Radome is a quiet revolution in Indian defense. It's another step toward a self-reliant, future-ready air force. The journey continues. We've explored the Rafale deal, the AMCA's 5th-gen ambitions, the Astra missiles integration, and the DRDO Radome breakthrough. Each development is a building block in India's push for technological sovereignty and military modernization. From grand procurements to critical components, India is methodically strengthening its defense ecosystem. The journey is complex, but every milestone brings India closer to true self-reliance. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more updates on India's defense transformation. Stay tuned for the next chapter in this remarkable story. See you in the next video.